Hello everyone, welcome back to yet again another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning my car and I'm going to try my best to get it to showroom condition. Let's get into the video. The car is already pretty clean. The stains on the seats from the auto clean literally didn't come up, so I'm going to try my best to get rid of that. But it's just a bit dusty and I want to get it absolutely spotless, so we'll be doing that today.
High volume.
So what I actually used to clean the car was I used this manual snow foam gun, but I just filled it with warm water and a tiny bit of soap. I also used this like soft detailing brush to like agitate the dirt. I would then rinse off the dirt and then dry it with a microfiber towel.
Get beat, you still on feet. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up.
This is another part of the car that I found gets very dirty, but you don't really notice it, is the insides of the doors, like on the sills and around the edges of the doors. I find they get quite dirty, so I thought I'd give them a clean as well. And I just did the same process as I did for any other part of the car in today's video.
Little shit on him. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, tiny streets can't cross it.
As well as cleaning the insides of the doors and the sills, I would also clean this part of the door because I find this bit also makes the other bit dirty, so cleaning both bits will just make everything look very clean. So yeah. Right, I've done all 4 doors and all the sills now, but it's getting a bit dark now and it's getting a bit cold, so I'm going to do the rest of the outside later, or tomorrow, sorry. But for now I'm going to do a little bit on the inside, just a little bit, and then I'm going to do the rest of the inside tomorrow, as it is getting absolutely bloody freezing. So yeah, let's get to it. I also got these detailing brushes with the rest of the set of the brushes that I got, and they're all like very soft, so these would be good for dusting and stuff like that. I mainly just wanted to dust this the radio part. I don't know why it's been on my nerves so bad, but I just felt like dusting it, so yeah, literally done and dusted. Also the same with this the screen, the plasticky screen on here. I felt like it just needs a little bit of a dust and then we're good. But that's about all that I'll be cleaning on the inside for now. And for now, I'm just going to go inside and chill out for a bit, and I'll get back to cleaning the car tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll probably see you in 5 minutes. I don't know. I'll see you soon. It's literally as simple as I put some washing up liquid on as a degreaser and then just washing it off. And it gets it off literally instantly. Moving on to this bit now. I mean, after drying it, you can see already how clean that is. Right, that is literally spotless. and it used to be filthy before. Star of the show. The cat. The cat. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and if you want to see more car cleaning videos. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.